G'day, Simon here from Tentworld at Townsville. Today I'm going to show you the Potjie Pot. Some people call this the Potjie Pot as well, so a couple of different ways of saying it. So this is a South African traditional camp oven. The reason it's different from other camp ovens is it's got these legs on it. So these legs allow you to sit it directly in the fire. It also allows a lot of ventilation around it so that you can use it for different forms of cooking. Like a traditional camp oven, you can still put your coals on the top because it's got a big lip around the top there. It can be used for any sort of campfire cooking, like your dampers, your roasts, stews, things like that. This design is particularly popular amongst traditional campers who really like the versatility of this style of camp oven. Also comes with a really handy box to store it in, and with that you can keep all your other bits and pieces as well. So for me, my favourite thing to cook in the camp oven over the fire would be like a roast lamb or a stew, like a hearty vegetable stew. In a unit like this, heaps of space for that, so you can cook for a lot of people. Being cast iron holds the heat really well. This particular one comes pre-seasoned as well, so it's ready to cook with immediately. With the seasoning as well, you've got an oil coating on the inside of it, makes it very easy to clean too. You'll know there's a certain flavour that comes from using cast iron. It's almost like your favourite barbecue plate at home. It just sort of brings out a different flavour in the food, which is quite enjoyable. And this definitely has that flavour.